Right, morning people, reporting to you live from Woodstock, Chapel Street. This is my guy, Provan May. What's your name again? Kilikotani, Provan May, ne? Right. People, you call Provens, Provens are tablets. You call it what? Say, what do you call Provens? Provan May. Okay, so here we go. So you must repeat after me now, ne? You say, die bestanddele van hierdie koek is baie belangrik.
Die pastana van de hele koek, die pastana kan maar rek.
Okay, start over again. All right.
Ja.
I'm going to talk slowly also.
Ja.
Listen very careful. Die bestanddele van hierdie koek
Bestanddele van die koek
is baie belangrik.
is baie belangrik.
Okay, so you're going to say the full sentence yourself, no?
Ja.
Right, I'm going to repeat after me. Die bestanddele van hierdie koek is baie belangrik.
Die pastana van hierdie koek is baie